Prepare faces and foreheads. Gently tap the forehead to help rebuild collagen. Hello viewers, thank you for coming back to my channel. Just like with our bodies, when we exercise our facial muscles daily, you'll see noticeable improvements. Place your hands at the center of your forehead, then pull outward while squinting. Really engage those forehead muscles. Try to glance upward while pulling your brows downward. This is one of the best exercises to keep your forehead looking youthful. Trust me, this really works. The next few exercises not only lifts the eyelids, but also improves vision. Gently press on your temple area to release tension and promote relaxation. Do this exercise to help prevent sagging and maintain firmness. This movement helps relieve tension headaches, often a cause of frown lines. Smooth out your forehead muscles with firm pressure. Go as hard as you comfortably can. Use circular motions to massage and soften the 11 lines between your eyebrows. Pinching the eyebrow area can stimulate the skin and reduce fine lines by boosting circulation. between the eyebrows and gently pull your fingers outward. Now, move the fingers to the center above the brow. Move them out toward the ends. Rub your face in an upward motion only. This movement stimulates blood flow and oxygen to the skin, enhancing your natural glow and supporting a clear, healthier complexion. Thank you for staying with me until the end. Don't forget to drink plenty of water today. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!